Hey y'all, it's Emily with Built to be Visible. I am the organizer that also deals with the energy of the people and the spaces. And one question I get asked a lot is, am I a Feng Shui practitioner? And the answer would be no, I am not. While Feng Shui is about strategic placement and balancing and harmony and flow of energy, there's a whole curriculum, a whole set of guiding, governing principles. And I don't have those credentials. Instead, I am an organizer that allows the energy of the room to kind of dictate what happens. The information I get kind of governs the choices I offer up as potential solutions. So, the placement of furniture or the placement of a specific sentimental piece of furniture or movement of art or movement of furniture in general. All of this information is coming real time to me when I'm in your space. The other thing that you'll not find in Feng Shui at all is the emotional release element. That's energy too when we're dealing with emotions. And that is what makes the work that I do unlike any other organizing work out there. So Feng Shui practitioner, I have to say no. However, I'm all about the energy of your spaces and the energy of you and your emotions. Until next time, y'all.